Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, making profits. I jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon get it in, make profits. Light up, watching them hands make profits. While I'm still in my same making profits. They used to watch me move them packets. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang, making profits. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the first trading day of the year, but welcome to our live stream, the True Trading Group live stream, folks. My name is Michael Edward Paranati. I go by Michael Edward. In case you didn't know, I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. And if you did not know about True Trading Group, we are a 2023 Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool. We're also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online education platform that combines university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, and individual mentorship and coaching on stocks, options, crypto, and futures. We also do day trading and swing trading and long-term investing. There's something literally for everybody here inside True Trading Group. Basically, we take that university level of curriculum, which is similar to the training I received when I worked at a fund in New York, and we combine it with today's top financial tools. This is why you are a finalist for the Best Data Analysis Tool in 2023. These tools are very expensive. They cost around $5,000, $6,000 a year if you were to pay for them on your own. That's the reason why actually that most retail traders don't use them, even though they should, because it gives you an edge. These are tools that are included on our platform at no additional cost to you. We spend years building relationships with these companies. Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, congressional trading data, a simulator, trading views charts, trade idea scanner, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, short data, you name it, we've got it. There's so much more. I'll get into that later. Of course, when you join, you get our courses. Of course, you get all of our trade alerts, but you also get these tools. We set you up with everything you need to have the very best chance of becoming successful for one affordable price for the entire year. You also get access to thousands of our members, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you're ever going to find, not to mention all of the trade alerts from the moderators and myself. There's 9 professional traders that are with you each and every single day, calling out trades, answering questions, sharing their screen. We have been able to maintain collectively as a group a win rate on all of our executions of just around 80% now going on the last 4 years. You guys are wondering, who I am and why you should listen to anything we discuss on this channel. Is because I did not figure this stuff out by watching YouTube. I did not figure this stuff out by sitting in Discords. I began my trading career working for T3 Alpha Fund, my first job in New York City, right out of college, where I had to go through an educational training program before they let me touch a dollar of the fund's money. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash, but also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now, fast forward, I'm the co-founder and the head trader of True Trading Group. And along with my team of 9 professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world reach their goals. We have members actually in 115 different countries. We truly are a global community here at True Trading Group. So if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you guys have all come to the right place today. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live on this channel where myself, other TTG mods, and some special guests will drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, trade ideas that can help you guys all become better traders. So if you have not yet done so, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you guys never miss out on any of these live streams. What a way to start the new year. I got to tell you, first trading day of the year is now in the books. And we're picking up right where we left off. I told you, right? I told you guys last night, for anyone that was on this live stream last night, I told you this was the start of what will be one of the biggest years that we have ever had inside of True Trading Group. Now, today was not planned. This was not something that was on my radar. Like, I just wanted to come out of the gate and just have a good day to start off 2024. Even if it was just like an educational day, I just wanted to have a good day. But today we didn't just have a good day. We had a phenomenal day. We came out of the gate, myself and 5 other moderators all had winning trades today. 3 of which were triple digit gains, which means that we are right back on track and starting off the new year with triple-digit gains, coming off a triple-digit gain run in the fourth quarter that I've never seen before in my entire trading career. We've had 75 triple-digit gain trade alerts sent out in the TTG platform in the fourth quarter. 75. That's more triple-digit trade alerts than there actually are days, trading days in the quarter. So October, November, December, 75 triple-digit gain trade alerts issued inside of True Trading Group. And that's the craziest streak that I've ever seen in my entire career. But the moderators and I are firing on all cylinders. We have a phenomenal group of traders inside of this platform. Like I said, there's 9 pro traders. It's not just me. Okay, there are 9 pro traders that are with you each and every single trading day. And to start off this year with not 1, not 2, but already 3 triple-digit gains to start off January and to start off 2024, it's as if 2023 never stopped. It's as if it never ended. We have a couple of our friends joining us right now from the Stockmaster app. So anyone that's tuning in from the Stockmaster app, we welcome you. This is how you guys are going to make money trading and investing in 2024. Simple as that. You want to find out how you're going to make money trading and investing in 2024? This is how. I believe that don't quote me on this, I believe that there are 61 trading days in the first quarter, accounting for the holidays. We have some holidays, obviously, in the first quarter. I believe we have 61 trading days. Don't quote me on that, but I believe we have 61. So let's see if we can do it again. Right? The fourth quarter, we had more triple-digit gains than there are days in the quarter. Let's see if we can do that again in the first quarter. Well, we're starting off on pace for that, considering today's the first trading day of the quarter, and we already have 3. So let's see if we can keep that going. And for those of you that woke up today, new year, new me, I'm going to do this. I'm ready to do this. Cool. Fantastic. Great. I'm excited for you. I truly am. But what I said on last night's live stream honestly bears repeating, because anyone that's on this live right now, you guys have all lucked out, right? My business partner, Adam, his bad luck is your good fortune. I'll just tell you that right now. My business partner, Adam, his bad luck is your good fortune. And New Year's is all, and I'll get into that a little bit later on what I mean by that. But New Year's is all about a second chance, right? It's a do-over. It's a chance to start over. It's a chance to move forward. It's a chance to get better. I'm going to give you that exact opportunity in a few moments, but I need you to listen to the things I want to share with you before I go on and before I start. Listen up and listen good. I will break down what happened today in the stock market. I'll talk about how I think we're going to make money tomorrow. I'll talk about why we started off the first trading day of the year in the red and what I think we're going to see here going forward. But first, I need you to listen up to what I have to say. And I went over this last night, but I really think it's so damn good and so damn important that it bears repeating. And the way that I see it is that everyone has 2 choices. Choice number 1 is this year is just going to be like every single other year where you attempted to start something new or do something different. And then 12 months later, you ended up right back in the exact same spot you're in now, making a plan to somehow do it bigger, do it better the following year. Or choice number 2 is that this is actually going to be the year that it changes for you. This is going to be the year that you declare that you've had enough, that you're not waiting anymore. You're not going to let anything stand in your way. You don't have the money, you're going to find it. You don't have the time, you're going to make it. Your family doesn't approve or wouldn't approve. Their problem, not yours. It's your life and your success matters, nobody else's. If you were someone that had to think twice about how many gifts you could buy this holiday season, or if you had to compromise on that vacation or family trip that you wanted to take, this year doesn't have to be like that. And I want you to let this be the very last time that you ever have to compromise with yourself on the things that you want. Now, you all need to understand something, because money and getting rich, money's not everything. But what money is a tool. You ask any construction worker, any contractor, right? Any do-it-yourselfer, not having the right tool makes the job damn near impossible, takes longer. Things don't get done as well. They are frustrating. Money is a tool. And I got to give a big shout out before I continue, before I forget. I got to give a shout out to Craig C. Craig C made his entire month here today with True Trading Group. Not one, not two, but three triple-digit gain trade alerts issued inside of True Trading Group to start off 2024. So, Craig, congratulations. So, big shout out there to Greg. And a big shout out to RoboMutt. RoboMutt, my boy. We just did a one-on-one not too long ago. 3 triple-digit gains today for RoboMutt. Apple, ARM, and AMD puts. All 3 triple-digit gains. Right from the watch list this morning. We were all over this move in the market today. Guys, if you're thinking about joining TTG and you're willing to work hard to win, then do it. I joined December 31st, already made back half of my membership fee, and it's the first day. Amazing. Wow, that's Salty Bear. Yes. You had the hard questions. I remember you, the Salty Bear. You had the hard questions. You were the one that was like asking me all the tough questions, and I really appreciated them. Right? I appreciated the questions that you were asking me. They were tough. You asked me the tough questions, but I'm so happy to see your very first day already made back half their membership. Mike, the past 2 years with TTG has netted more each year than my day job. That's incredible. That's absolutely incredible. That now for 2 consecutive years, you have been able to make more money trading in the markets than you make at your day job. Absolutely incredible. Salty Bear says, Mike gave us the news on the Apple downgrade. Geo was all over SPY options. So solid. So solid. Casual Fool caught Apple twice today. Great analysis this morning. Absolutely incredible. Killed it today. Killed it today. The analysis was spot on, and you're seeing members are actually making money and profiting from it. That's what I'm talking about. Now, let me get back to kind of the discussion that I wanted to have with people about the choices that you guys have. You know, I don't want you to have to compromise for the things that you want anymore. And remembering that money is a tool, but what money represents is something that's actually far greater. Money represents independence, and it represents peace of mind. The ability to not have to compromise for the things that you want, for the things that you are willing to put in the effort that you deserve. And guys, don't worry. We'll cover the wins and losses and how to make money tomorrow. Just listen up for now. Okay? And you'll notice that what I just said right there. You notice I didn't just say the things you deserve. I put a buffer in there. That buffer says willing to put in the effort. The things that you deserve, that you're willing to put in the effort. Because the truth is, some people think that they deserve something just because they exist or because they've had a rough go at it. And that doesn't mean that you deserve it. It doesn't. Life isn't fair. Life doesn't owe you anything. And the people that sit around waiting for life to pay them back because they felt that they were dealt a bad hand or they had a tough go are the same people that are usually the ones that are crying out, oh, this is too good to be true. Oh, this is a scam. Oh, it's too expensive. There's not enough time. There's this, there's that. There's an excuse for everything. And those people, and you know who you are. You know if that's you, right? You feel like, oh, I've had such a bad go at life that eventually life is just going to magically, the universe is going to right all the wrongs that I've experienced my whole life. Switch to cash account as you guys recommended. Love it. Lead on Mike. Hell yeah, Salty Bear. I love it, man. I love it. I love it. Yep, I sure do. I remember you, Salty Bear. That's awesome, man. I remember the whole conversation. It was just a couple days ago. You joined just like 3 days ago. I remember the whole conversation. I'm so happy that I was happy with that when you joined, but now I'm even happier to see that you've already made half your membership fee back in just your first trading day. So congratulations, man. A whole hell of a lot more coming. A whole hell of a lot more where that came from. That's for damn sure. But, you know, like I was saying, some people feel like they just deserve something without ever actually having to put forth any bit of an effort. And this year is going to be like every other year for those people. Will continue to just be like every other year because you're just unwilling to do what is needed, because you are unwilling to let go of the idea that for some reason you're owed something. Life doesn't owe you a thing. I don't even care if you're on here thinking like, oh man, this is deep. I just wanted to, figure out how to make money. That's cool. You're in the right place if that's what you're looking for, right? But you don't even have to like the stock market to be a part of this. You don't need to be a full-time trader. Your goal doesn't have to become a full-time trader. I've been trading for over 17 years professionally. And why do I do it? Do I enjoy trading? Yes, of course. Sure. Obviously, I enjoy trading, but there's other things that I enjoy more. But in my years of experience, I do not know another industry where you can put up a couple $100 or a couple $1,000 and with the right education, the right tools, and the right community, been able to turn that into an entire lifestyle. A lifestyle of independence, one that allows you to not just provide, but to thrive for you and your family. Because 2024 is here. We all just dodged an incredible bullet in 2023. You have no idea how fortunate you are, each and every one of you, right now. And I say that also including myself, because everybody thought we were going to be in a recession last year. Everybody thought the market was going to go down. But yet we finished the year at basically all-time highs. By all intents and purposes, even though we aren't out of the woods yet, the chances continue to increase, and the more probable situation looks like we're going to actually have a soft landing, which is insane. It's an insane thing to say, because that isn't supposed to be what happens. But here we are. Think of how far we've come. We're talking about rate cuts in 90 days. COVID being a thing of the past. You have a tremendous amount of people that got into the stock market this year, but you can't say the same, or last year rather, but you can't say the same about real estate. A lot of people left the real estate market because it got tough. E-commerce or drop shipping. No. Why is it that tens of millions of people, every time an opportunity arises, they go right to the stock market? Why do they keep coming back to the stock market? It's because it works. It's because it's real. That's why. And you have a lot of people that just think that they're just owed success in the markets. And I bring back to a quote, famous quote from Usain Bolt. You guys all know Usain Bolt, fastest man alive, right? Usain Bolt said, I trained 4 years to run 10 seconds. And some people quit after just a couple months. Think about that. It's a great quote. It's a great quote. Let me be the first person to tell you guys, those people that cry out that stock market's a scam, that it's rigged, you need all this money, you need all this time. I was part of another group. I got my butt handed to me. It's a scam, whatever. It's not a scam. You're just doing it completely wrong. And you're doing it wrong. I'm not talking about like indicators or chart patterns. You're doing it wrong in the sense that you have bought into a complete bunch of utter garbage, and you have overcomplicated one of the simplest ways to even the financial playing field for everybody, which is the stock market. Now, let me tell you something, because once you understand, fundamentals and technicals and charts, once you understand, what a good setup looks like versus a bad setup, which is everything that we'll teach you as a member at your trading group. Once you understand support and resistance, momentum, all of these other things, which take time to understand, but let's be honest, guys, this isn't rocket science. It's not. If you have some sort of high school education, you're going to be able to figure this stuff out. The hardest thing about trading is not the charts. The hardest thing about trading is getting out of your own way. It's overcoming the mindset that there must be some secret that I just haven't found yet. I haven't dedicated enough time. I haven't spent enough money. There's got to be this secret. There's got to be this shortcut. And the mistake that people make is they spend their entire lives endlessly in search of this unicorn that's being ridden by a leprechaun. It doesn't exist. I worked on Wall Street. I worked at a hedge fund. I was trained by the best. If there was such a thing, I would know about it. It doesn't exist. But people spend their whole lives looking for that. There is no such thing as get rich quick in the stock market. There is only get rich smart. And at TTG, folks, we're building wealth together. Now, today I'm going to recap some of the trades from the day, right? I gave you guys a little insight yesterday about what I think we're going to see in 2024 and what some of my ideas are for the year and what my analysis was coming into the day today. We were all over this market pullback today, all over it. I told everybody as soon as the day started, I told everybody, guys, my watch list is dominated with shorts. I didn't have one single long on my watch list today. My entire watch list today was all shorts. Boeing, Carvana, Apple, Affirm, every single name on my list was actually to the short side. And the moderators today, all of our triple digit gains were all to the short side. They were all on put options because we sniffed out this pullback in the market. And it's something that we were able to capitalize on, and not just myself, but members as well. So we're going to talk about what that analysis was. We're going to talk about why we thought the market was going to pull back today. We'll talk about, do we think the market's going to pull back even further? And then I'm going to be going over some ideas for 2024. And members of True Trading Group, you guys are going to be getting my outlook report for 2024 here this week. I did some more work on it here today, putting together another report for you guys, as I always do. It's for members only. Okay, it's for members only. It's not an upsell. It's totally free. There's no upsell or there's no report within a report within a report. It's just, I just give you guys the whole thing. It's my thoughts on the year. It's my thoughts on what I expect from the market, what sectors I think are going to be best, what stocks I think are going to be best. And these are things that I'm doing with my own money. You can take it for whatever you want to do with it. But 2023 was just a phenomenal year for members in True Trading. A lot of members actually hit anywhere from 50, 80, 100% gain on their long-term portfolio in 2023 with a lot of the stocks that we'd added in our portfolio over the last year and a half. And it's just been a phenomenal rally for us as the markets have run all the way back to all-time highs. But I think that what happened in the markets in 2023 is going to be very, very different from what happens in the markets in 2024. And that report is going to be coming out here this week for all members. Now, we're starting off this year with 3 triple-digit gains. I want you to make no mistake that this is just what we do. This is what I do for a living. This is why TTG exists. And I'll spare you all the fancy words. True Trading Group exists to help retail traders take control of their lives so that they can make money in the markets. Plain and simple. That's what we do. You don't come on this live stream to watch other people make money, and you certainly don't come on this live stream to make friends. You come on this live stream so that you can make money. Now, we'll make friends in the meantime, but make money definitely takes top priority. And we are very good at our job. And don't just take my word for it. Listen to members themselves. See what members actually have to say. You already just saw a couple of comments from some people inside of this YouTube chat right now, but I want you to pay very close attention to the response that you're about to get when I ask this one question to members. Members that are on this live stream with me right now, if you are a member of True Trading Group, I would like for you very simply to type the number 1 if you're making money and becoming a better trader because of TTG. Again, type the number 1 if you are making money and you are becoming a better trader because of TTG. Look at Ben. Ben says, my 401k was up 104% last year. There you go. But you guys can see, those of you that are not members yet, see how many people are typing number 1. These are your peers, folks. These are real people. These aren't bots. These are real people. These are your friends, your family members, and your coworkers. If they can do it, so can you. If 2023 taught us anything, it's that the lie is dead. And for anyone who thinks that all we do is day trade, just pay attention to Ben's comment. Just pay attention to Ben's comment. I can send Adam a screenshot if you want. Says Ben. Archstone says, I have so much respect for these guys. I think Adam's on a plane right now, guys. So I don't think that sending him a screenshot is going to do us any good right now. I'm pretty sure he's on a plane right now. I started the year nicely with an $880 profit. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. But that's what I'm saying. We don't just do day trading here. We do swing trading, and we also do long-term investing stuff as well here inside of TTG. So you guys kind of get a little bit of everything here from the 9 professional traders that are with you each and every single trading day. But again, the lie is dead, guys. The lie is dead. The stock market is for you. Doesn't matter that you're working a full-time job. We have over 10,000 members in True Trading Group from 115 different countries. 82% of them work over 40-hour-a-week full-time jobs. The rest of them, the other 18%, are either full-time traders or just retired. So the majority of our members do have full-time jobs. Every single market environment provides an opportunity for us to make money. There's a style for everybody. No matter your schedule, no matter how busy you are, this can work. This does work. Guys, those of you that are members that are making money, what do you guys do for a living? You guys mind just commenting maybe what your profession is? If you guys are making money while working a full-time job, just tell me what you do for a living. This way, anyone that's on here that's not a member, maybe they see someone that does the same thing for a living as they do. You guys can just check out maybe some of the comments that you'll see come through from some members about what it is they actually do for a living. So you can see for yourself that people are able to do this and make money while working full-time jobs. And that's where the swing trading really comes into play. And you get swing trade alerts every day inside True Trading Group. You don't have to be sitting in front of your computer screen all day, every day to do this, guys. You don't. It's a big misconception. Robotic program manager, glass scratch repair, financial analyst, auto mechanic, IT, bartender, construction, aircraft maintenance tech, electrician, administrator, accounting rep, office manager, home care nurse, loan officer. I mean, just look at these. Auto body shop manager, damage appraisal, boat mechanic, contractor, right? I'm not going to keep reading all these, but you guys can read some of these comments and see what these people do for a living. Maybe you see someone that does what you do. Guys, if they can do it, so can you. All you need is a phone. You have a phone? Yes, you do. I know you do. Some of you are watching this live stream right now on your phone. You guys, we have a mobile app that lets you stay connected to our chat from your cell phone. This way, whenever our mods enter and exit positions, you get notified in real time on your phone, just like you would get like a news alert. Real time. So imagine you're sitting there at work, you get a notification, they just bought put options on AMD. You log into your Thinkorswim, your Webull, your Robinhood, whatever. You buy some put options on AMD. You set a stop loss, you put your phone down. Then maybe 2 hours later, you get another notification. Oh, they just took profit. Oh, wow, the option's up 40%. That's great. Take some profit, set your stop loss, put your phone down. Then the next day at 10 o'clock in the morning, you get they took profit again. You log in, you go, whoa, the option's up 115%. This is great. Take more profit, set a stop loss, leave a runner, put your phone down, go back to work, check it later. It's up 150%. Take final profit, call it a day and say, wow, that was easy. Now, I know it might sound like I'm oversimplifying things, but that's literally what nearly 82% of our members do that work busy full-time jobs. Lean on the moderators to do a lot of that heavy lifting for you. That's why the mobile app is there. It's for iPhone and Android, so make sure that you guys download it when you join. But my goal is really to actually help you be able to not have to rely on moderators and you actually make your own trades. That's my real goal, honestly, is for you to be able to find your own setups where you don't need me, where you don't need Uni or Shy or Glenny or Toner or Simmons or Jay or Moment or Wolf or any of the other moderators that we have inside of True Trading Group. Geo. I still feel like I'm missing somebody when I go through all the moderators. There's 9 of us. I always feel like I miss somebody though. I feel terrible if I ever do. But yeah, this is what makes True Trading Group different. This is the reasons why that members are able to make money. And you just saw me prove that to you guys here right now. Now, before I move any further, I'd actually like to see real quick, how many people are on this live stream actually right now that are not members of True Trading Group? Can you guys do me a favor? Actually, if you're not a member of True Trading Group, do me a favor and just type the letters TTG inside. I just want to see who we have on here that's not part of this community. So just go ahead and type the letters TTG, please, if you guys are not part of the community. Gogo Ubari, you just joined last night. I'm happy to see you just said I'm starting off paper trading until I get a better understanding. That's the right move. I know you're brand new. You're like newbie. So I'm happy to see that. Let's see. Who do we have here that's not a member? Yeah, guys, type TTG. We got Tobin. We got Zully Bella. We got Maurice. We got MB. Travis. So we got a handful of people here that are not part of our communities. Go ahead, guys, type TTG. Like I said, if you guys are not members, We'll see who we have on here that is joining us on this live here to start off 2024. That's not part of the community here just yet. Excellent. Excellent. All right. So I'm going to give you guys all, Sean, what's up, man? I'm going to give you guys all a chance. Everyone that just typed TTG, you guys are actually in luck. My business partner's bad luck and misfortune is your gain. Because if you guys don't know this, Adam was in Vegas and his flight was canceled. And he had to reroute all of his flights. He actually had to go from Vegas to LA. And then the LA flight actually got grounded back in Vegas. And then from Vegas, another connection to Miami or whatever it is. He's been an absolute nightmare of travel for him for the last 2 days. And he's on a plane right now. We got Glenn, Wild Bill, Matthew Mayer, so a bunch of more people that are typing TTG that are not part of the community. Sandy, how are you? Happy New Year. So those of you that are typing TTG, like I said, welcome. But for those of you that are typing TTG, his misfortune is your gain, because our holiday sale was supposed to be over today at midnight from last night. And the price was supposed to change and reflect higher. Well, you guys are in luck. And you can actually see on our checkout page on our website, the copyright date actually still says 2023. The copyright date still says 2023, which for those of you that know Adam, that absolutely drives him crazy that he has not been able to make these changes yet on the website. So yes, our copyright still says 2023, even though it's January 2nd of 2024. So that needs to change, but also the price needs to change. And the price will be changing tonight at midnight. But since it has not been changed yet, and I don't do that stuff, Adam does that, you guys are actually in luck, those of you that typed TTG, because the 61% discount is actually still valid on the checkout page right now. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to leave this just open-ended blanket for anybody. It's just, a situation where Adam's just a travel nightmare. And I'll leave it for the next 20 people or until midnight tonight, because by then Adam is supposed to have been landed by midnight. And then he can make the changes. So whatever happens first, if 20 people join or if it's midnight tonight, whatever it is, the price is then going to go back to $1,500. You can get it right now for $850 for the entire year. And there's no upsell for the stuff that you guys get included with that annual membership. So if you actually go to ttgoffer.com, just pull up a web browser, ttgoffer.com, every single item that you see on that page is included for the $850. You just need to enter this coupon code. When you go to the page, it's going to say $22.12, which is the normal price if you were just to go to our website on your own, not counting a sale or a holiday or a discount from this YouTube channel. But since you guys are here, I can give you this coupon code, TTG121. Again, that is TTG121. If you click apply code, the price will drop down to $850. Again, you have to manually type in the coupon code. It doesn't happen automatically for you. TTG121, but the code is still valid and it is still bringing the $850 price. After 20 people join or midnight tonight, the price will jump back up to the $1,500. Okay. So go to ttgoffer.com. Everything you see on that page is included for the $850. You're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed, congressional trading data to track trades by Congress, insider trading by management, TradingView's premium charting software. Guys, just those items alone, TradingView's premium charting software is $600 a year if you go to TradingView directly. It's included when you join your trading group for $850. Benzinga Pro's newsfeed and the congressional trading data, that would cost you over $1,000 a year if you went to Benzinga directly. It's included when you join your trading group for $850. This is why we were a nominated finalist for the best data analysis tool at the Benzinga FinTech Awards, because we are the only company that has brought all of these top products and tools under one roof to make it affordable for retail traders. There's a reason why these tools are dominated by professionals because they're so expensive. Retail traders don't really use them, but it gives you an edge. Otherwise, the professionals wouldn't use them. Now, would they? You're also going to get a simulator to let you practice trading with fake money, but real-time data. You're going to get the trade idea scanner on our platform to make sure you're focused on the hottest stocks during the day. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data, analyst ratings, a trading journal that tracks your trades for you, a social sentiment scanner that track what's being talked about on social media. All of this is included for the $850, but only for the next 20 people. Only the next 20 people, or midnight tonight, whichever comes first. And there's the Salty Bear again, goes, guys, again, I made half the annual fee back in my first day. Do not hesitate. I love seeing that because Salty Bear, like, let's be honest, right? Like, you were a little skeptical, right? Like last week, you were a little skeptical. You know, you were asking kind of the tough questions, as you should. But I love to see someone that is skeptical at first. And then I love to see that person come back and be like, guys, no, literally, I did it. I tried it. It's legit. It's real. This is my success. This is what I'm able to do. Join, give it a shot, give it a go. You can do this. This is for you. I love to see that. So this Salty Bear, I'm happy to hear about your very early success, making half your membership fee back in your very first trading day as a member. So congratulations on that one. And I'll take actually the last remaining shred of doubt that anybody has. If you're watching this live stream right now and you still have any doubt whatsoever, I'll erase that doubt by offering you a double your money back guarantee. I'm dead serious. The double your money back guarantee is right there on the checkout page. It's in black and white. Yes, it's real. Go read it. This is how it works. I stand behind the product that we have created, and I believe so strongly in its ability to help you reach your goals that we're willing to offer double your money back to anyone that cannot make back their membership fee at least one time during their membership. So you're going to join right now. You'll pay $850. Go through our courses, pass the quizzes, and attend one study group. We do them every week. They're free. If you do those things and you are still unable to make enough winning trades to equal the $850 membership fee at least once during your membership, we'll give you back $1,700, double what you're going to pay. I can do that because our refund rate, it's less than 2.5%. Our retention rate is 78%. I mean, 78% of our members stay with us. Guys, do me a favor and type the number 2 if you've been a member for longer than 1 year or if you're a lifetime member. If you're a lifetime member or you have renewed your annual membership, go ahead and type the number 2. Now, anyone else that's on here that's still not a member that has a little bit of doubt, ask yourself this question. Let's do a hypothetical. Let's say you join True Trading Group today. You fast forward January 2nd, 2025. You have made zero money. Even worse, you've lost money. You learned nothing. Would you renew your membership? Of course you wouldn't. So then why the hell did all these people? Why did all these people then? Serious question. We got to welcome Maurice. Guys, Maurice just joined. This means we're down to 19 of those spots. All right. This will be a first come, first serve. If you have any questions at all about our membership or about our platform, Joe and Luciano are standing by. You can send us a text message, 1-888-306-8783. The phone number is right down there at the bottom of the screen. You have any questions and concerns about anything, text us, 1-888-306-8783. My boy J.E. Blanco says, I'm approaching my 4th year as a member of True Trading Group. That's excellent. 19 spots left, 61% discount, double your money back guarantee, which there's Tommy. Tommy, welcome to the family, brother. Now we're down to 18 spots. Guys, again, and there's Brian, 17 spots. Brian, welcome. Guys, welcome Brian and Tommy. And Bill, welcome Bill. That's 16 now. These are going to go quick. These are first come, first serve. Hurry up, open a new web browser, ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. Price drops to $850. The next 16 people to do that get an $850 price point. Or midnight tonight, then price jumps to $1,500. Anyone that is still on the fence, I want you to pay attention because members are making money. Watch this, guys. One more time, members. Type the number 1 in chat if you guys are making money, becoming better traders with TTG. Just go ahead, do it. Just do it. Light up the YouTube chat. Number 1 if you're making money. Type it now. If you're still on the fence, try to count how many number 1s you see. If you can accurately count the amount of number 1s, then don't join. If you can't accurately count the number 1s because there's too damn many of them, then get rid of that skepticism. Bet on yourself. Betting on yourself is the hardest thing for somebody to do. It takes courage. It takes courage to bet on yourself. But it's what is required in order for you to reach your goals because, like I said to you before, like it or not, nobody is coming to help you. Nobody's coming to save you. Life is not going to just magically get better unless you make it better. Do something different. You can't expect different results if you're not doing anything to change those results. You woke up feeling good, the new year, new me. Excellent. Great. Let's do this. Think about how much money you're losing just not being part of this community. We had 3 triple-digit gains today alone. We had 75 in the fourth quarter. Now, obviously, you're not going to catch all 78 of those triple-digit gains, right? You're not going to catch all of them. But what if you just caught 3? Would that have made maybe your holiday spending a little less stressful? Probably. You guys got to give yourself a chance. You can lead a horse to water. You can't force it to drink. You've got to make the decision at the end of the day, not me. We already have over 10,000 members from 115 different countries. You see many of them right here on this YouTube channel as we're doing this live stream. The next 16 people to go to ttgoffer.com and manually enter the coupon code TTG121, then they click apply code, the price drops to $8.50. How do you know you're one of those 16 spots? It's very simple. When you enter the coupon code, does the price say $8.50? If it does, great. Check out. Hurry up because one of those spots are still available. If you do that later tonight and the price is $1,500, that means that we have since sold out and the price has now reflected itself back higher. All of you are at the riverbed right now. We have what's needed to quench your thirst. You just have to bend down and take a sip and not be scared that an alligator is going to jump out and grab you. I'm sure many of you have had bad experiences before with the stock market. Maybe some of you have just lost money before. Maybe some of you, even worse, have been scammed by some other BS group. So I get your skepticism. I truly, honestly do. I'm not faulting you for it, but I will fault you for not betting on yourself. It's easy to bet on other people. It's hard to bet on yourself. The brave bet on themselves. The members, remember what I said earlier on this live stream about who deserves it? It's the people that bet on themselves and put in the effort that actually deserve it. I'll be the first one to tell you that sometimes the light at the end of the tunnel, it's not a freight train. It actually is the exit to the other side. It's the view into the destination that you seek. The goals that you have set out to achieve for you and your family, they are within reach. I'm here offering you the opportunity to make that a reality, to no longer have to compromise for you and yourself. Go to ttgoffer.com right now. Enter the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops to $8.50. You have the entire year for that double your money back guarantee, by the way. You don't have to do the courses and the quizzes within like 30 days. Take your time. You have the whole year. If you can't make enough winning trades to equal the $8.50 at least once, I'll give you back $1,700. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,400 reviews. Go see what members have to say. Again, guys, if you have any questions, Robert Alvarado says TTG is one of the best damn financial decisions that I've ever made. I've been here for over 2 years. It has completely changed my retirement plans for the better. Wow. Hell yeah, Robert. That's the I almost cursed. I try not to curse on these live streams. I know sometimes people are watching them like with their kids around and everything. So I try to keep this a family rated PG live stream. But Robert, that's the stuff that really warms me up, bro. That's the stuff that gets me excited. That's what True Trading Group is about. It's not about yachts and mansions. And yes, we all love private jets and all that stuff, right? Rolls Royces and Ferraris. We all love that stuff, right? Who doesn't love that stuff? That's not really what this is about. Okay. This is about comments like what Robert just said. That's what this is about. So you guys have any questions at all, just text us 1-888-306-8783. All right. First come, first serve on that 61% discount. 16 spots left. All right. Let's talk about today. So a pullback day today in the markets, right? A pullback day today that was led to the downside by technology. Tech got walloped today. All right. We were down 2% at the lows. We finished down 1.6% on the day. And why is that? Why is that? We came into the day today and I told members of True Trading Group before the day started, which is what we do every day. Every day, the moderators and I, we give you our watch list. We give you our thoughts. We say, okay, guys, this is what we're expecting the markets to do. These are the stocks we're looking at. These are entry points. These are exit points. Members know exactly what the moderators are looking to do before the day starts. We tell you, these are the stocks we're focused on. These are the prices we're going to get in and we're going to get out. So you kind of have already a pretty good game plan of what we're going to do. So I came out in the pre-market, as we always do, and I said, guys, I think you're going to see a profit-taking day today. I said, I think the stocks that were up the most in 2023 are going to be down the most today. And I said, I am looking for shorts. I didn't have a single long on my list today. The stocks that I had, that my focus, our other moderators had other stocks in focus as well, was Affirm, Apple, Carvana, and Boeing. Those were the 4 stocks that I had right at the top of my list for shorts today. And every single one of them. Oh, wait, guys, time out. Glenn Brandon, brother, you just overpaid. You didn't use the coupon code. Glenn Brandon, we're going to refund you. Don't worry, bro. I got you. Don't worry. Glenn Brandon, we are going to refund you right now the difference. You paid the $2,000. So listen, full transparency, right? Well, we're going to refund. You're here on this YouTube live. You just probably didn't enter the coupon code correctly. So Glenn Brandon, we're going to refund you that difference right now, brother. So you're only going to pay the $850. All right. So I just want to let you know, Glenn, we just got your payment. You overpaid. We're going to refund you the difference right now. So don't worry. You don't have to, freak out. We're just going to send you back the difference. And then that way you'll take advantage of the $850. But that means now that we're down to 15 spots. All right. 15 spots now remain. Guys, welcome Glenn to the family. 15 spots now remain. Again, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Any questions? Text us 1-888-306-8783. So why was it that my watch list was dominated by shorts today? I actually came on. I told everybody in True Trading Group, I said, guys, 473.50, that's the spot. Get short 473.50. And that 473.50 was for my SPY option traders. Or I said right underneath 4,800 for all my TTG futures traders. So all my TTG futures traders had a beautiful day today. They caught about 20, 30 points of downside action off of that call. Members also take advantage of this. True or false? Members of True Trading Group. Because I feel like the people that aren't members, there's no way for them to know that this goes on inside of our community. Members of True Trading Group, just say true or false. Did I or did I not in the pre-market session tell you I'm looking for a profit-taking day today where I think the stocks that were up the most last year are going to be down the most today? I'm looking for all shorts. and look for resistance 473.50 on the SPY to get short. True or false? Is that or is that not verbatim what I said today before the markets even opened? If you're not a member, read. See what you are missing out on. Can you get that analysis and then make trades around that? Honestly. I said watch for 473.50 then to get short. You want to know what the high of the day is today? 473.67 is the high of the day on the SPY. And then look at what happened. Look what happened. Bang. Look at that move. Look at this move. Bang. Beautiful move. Capitalized on by members of True Trading Group. Matt's now in on the action. Matt drank the water. Congratulations, Matt, for betting on yourself. Matt's the newest member to True Trading Group. Matt is the newest member to True Trading Group. Already welcome Matt. Yes, VJ says our futures gang made money in the first 2 hours the market opened, baby. Yes, that's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear. Matt, welcome. Guys, 14 spots now remain. 14, that's it. 14 spots now remain. All right, but that's it. That's the analysis from today, right? But why? Why are we thinking that? I told you guys, you've been following my YouTube channel for the last couple of weeks. I told you that I think the market's rally into the end of the year. Why? Two reasons. Two reasons I thought the market rallied into the end of 2023. Because A, you had tons of capital gains that nobody wanted to realize for 2024. If you're up 80% on a position, why would you sell it the last week of December and have to pay that tax bill in April? Sell it in January and pay that tax bill in 2025. So I just felt that these stocks had run huge into the end of the year. Naturally, you're going to get hedge fund managers, you're going to reposition, you're going to get profit taking, they're going to trim those positions, and that creates a nice little pullback. It's exactly what happened today. It's exactly what happened today. Look at the stocks that were down the most today, right? Look at this. NVIDIA, right? Look at NVIDIA today. Coinbase, look at Coinbase today. I'll just show you the daily chart. Actually, the daily chart puts into perspective a little bit more. Look at the move that Coinbase made. Look at the move that it made today. NVIDIA, look at the move that it made today. AMD, look at the move that it made today. See all these pullback days? Boeing, look at this huge rally in Boeing. Look at the pullback day, right? Look at all this. Affirm, huge rally, big pullback day. Carvana, right? Huge rally into the end of the year, big pullback day. You see all these pullbacks? Apple, look at that pullback day. Look at the size of that move to the downside, right? So this is the stuff that we're talking about. Now, where did those triple-digit gains come from? Boeing was one of them. Boeing was on the watch list today, was actually on my watch list and was also on Shai's watch list. And Shai went after this trade in the put option and caught a 130% gain on the put option on Boeing right against this previous little pivot low. Glenn, I just want to let you know, Glenn, your account has been refunded and your account is updated. So Glenn, we just sent you the refund. Welcome to the family. So there's that little pivot low. We actually had a downgrade today on Boeing from Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs removing Boeing from their conviction buy list. And that gave you resistance right there off of 258. And right there, my friends, is exactly where Shai bought the put options here inside True Trading Group. And the rest is absolutely history. This stock bled the whole day. We got a bleeder. The whole day, the stock just moved to the downside, guys. 130% gain on puts. Beautifully done. You had 100% gain there by lunchtime. Congratulations, members of True Trading Group on Boeing. And then we also had Intel. Intel, this was Uni jumping on this one here early, right out of the gate. You get this flush on Intel. And Intel, just like the others, right? Huge rally into the end of the year. And then you come into today, bang, profit take day. We were all over this in True Trading Group, bought put options right off the early open, and then rode this thing down, new lows late in the day. That was good for over 100% gain today on put options as well on Intel. And the third one was actually a swing trade on Nike. This is a position that was actually entered last week. Okay, this was a position that was entered last week and then is rolled over and give you more follow through to the downside today. And that was good for an over 100% gain. So Nike was a swing trade. Intel was a day trade. Boeing was a day trade. Okay. Yes, King David, my boy. Says King David says, I hit the Bank of America. Bank of America. Says I hit the Boeing put options and the futures short. Great job, King David. Just take the analysis and trust in it, execute the trades, and let's rock and roll. Great job, guys. So those are the three big winners from the day. Boeing, Intel, Nike, those are your triple digits. Affirm, this is the one that I jumped on here today. We talked about 48 being resistance. And right out of the gate, guys, we popped up right into 48 right there. Bang, took the trade there. Underneath, right into that 48 resistance. We took that trade. And then you guys can see you got a nice little roll over there on Affirm into the late morning session is where we got profits off the table. Those options went from like $1.50 all the way up to like $2.40, $2.35. So that was a beautiful trade there on Affirm. And we still have a lot of these positions actually. Some of these positions are actually still open on small pieces of the position. Like I still have a small piece of this Affirm trade short with stops at my break-even entry point on the remainder. I took profits off actually on the bulk of the position already though. And I do believe that some of our other mods are actually holding on to some of those positions that I mentioned to you guys earlier. Stock went to $30 today. Also pays a 6% dividend. You're looking at like a 15% move on the stock already from where we entered. And I think Glenny was in call options. I think Glenny got out of the call options today at like 350% gain on the call option. If you guys have been following the YouTube channel for the last couple of weeks, you'll know that we scooped up Pfizer at 26 in the long term. But we actually had 4 of our moderators all went long Pfizer at this on the same time, just done differently. One bought 25 leaps, one bought January calls, one bought February calls. I bought the equity. So all four moderators all went long Pfizer at the same time. Turned out to be just an absolute monster for members and trading. 350% for those January calls. I'm not sure what the percentage is on the leaps or the February strikes or the February expirations, but just incredible. Oh, hold on, guys. Wait a minute. Wrong. Okay, so hold on. I see a comment that says, but don't you need a lot of money to do this? No, you do not need a lot of money to do this. You're actually dead wrong if you think that. You are dead wrong if you think that. The reality is you only need a couple $100 to honestly to get started. Sure. Is it, can you start with a couple thousand? Of course, right? But you don't need to. Members of True Trading Group, can you guys just tell me what you started with? What did you start with when you joined TTG? What was in your account? Those of you that started with smaller accounts, just comment in chat if you guys don't mind real quick. I just saw a comment. Somebody was talking about needing a lot of money. And I just feel like that's another one of those big misconceptions that can get people really jammed up. It causes you to miss out on a lot of opportunity because you think you need 25K to do this. You don't. Salty Bear is living, breathing proof of that. Salty Bear was asking that question. We were saying, no, man, switch down to a cash account, trade options. A couple $100 is all you need in order to do this. You don't need 25K, to get around the PDT rule. Get around the PDT rule by just using a cash account. You're not bound by PDT rule if you use a cash account. Here, look at this. $150, $500, $400, 500, 800, 500, $225. My boy Salty Bear. $500, Fi Trader. Right? So you guys are saying you don't need. These are members. I'm not saying anything. These are members that are telling you this is what I started with. Juno Me started with $300. That's all you need to start. That's all you need to start. You don't need thousands and thousands of dollars. Maria, how are you, Maria? Happy New Year. Hope you're well. Maria, $300. $300. That's all you guys need. My boy Bruce. Bruce now for 2 consecutive years has made more money in the markets than at his day job. Started with just $500. You do the math on that. You do the math on that. TK says, if you got $850, get the effing membership. Best money spent. Even if you don't have the $850, we accept PayPal credit. PayPal Credit, you can join with PayPal Credit, and then you can pay back PayPal over 6 months with no interest. We accept PayPal Credit. Or, honestly, guys, we also, if you need to use Klarna buy now, pay later. If you need to use Klarna, send a text message to 1-888-306-8783. If you would like to use Klarna, send a text message to 1-888-306-8783. TK says, guys, I started for free on these live streams. Now I'm a lifetime member. Hell yeah, TK. That's how everybody starts. So many of our members started out just by, attending the live streams, and then now they're full-time members or they're lifetime members. And then our members tell other people about True Trading Group, and our members are our best form of marketing. Our members have success. They tell their friends, their family, their coworkers, and then they join. They have success. They tell their friends, their family, their coworkers, and they join. See, Adam and I, who's my business partner and co-founder of True Trading, we believe that if you work hard enough to create a product that actually yields positive results for your users and for your members, then it takes care of itself, right? It takes care of itself. We don't need to spend hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars a month on marketing like a lot of our competitors do. We let our members speak for us. And when you can keep 78% of your user base, then you can just grow your user base rather than just recycling your user base and just being a revolving door where 100 people sign up, 100 people then quit. 100 new people sign up, 100 people quit. For us, 100 people sign up, 78 stay. Then another 100 people sign up and another 78 stay. And another 100 people sign up. And that's how our user base has now grown to over 10,000 members in 115 different countries. Yes, Ryan, AbbVie. Yep, AbbVie. That is another stock that I do own in my I have seen that. Another stock I do own in my long-term portfolio. Okay. So, folks, again, go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops right down to $8.50. You have the W money back guarantee, which I don't think you need, but it's there for peace of mind. And guys, make sure you type the coupon code and then click apply code, because I know that guy Glenn joined and he forgot to use the coupon code. So make sure you're going to use the coupon code. You got to type it in, TTG121, and then click apply code. Then the price drops $8.50. All right. Let's talk about some of my thoughts for 2024. I talked about this a little bit, and then we'll break. But some of my thoughts on 2024 is that I actually, and I was talking to members in True Trading Group about this, that I actually think that you are not going to be led higher this year by a lot of the big mega cap tech names that led us higher last year. Last year, the market was completely dominated by the Magnificent Seven, and market cap weighted is really where you want it to be, because the biggest market cap names moved up the highest, and that's why the market's moved up so much. The NASDAQ 100 was up 54% on the year. It's the best year it's had in 2 decades. I don't think that repeats itself this year. I don't think you're going to get this Magnificent Seven, which is NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta. Who am I missing? Amazon. Did I say Amazon? It's NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Alphabet, Amazon. Yeah, there's your Magnificent Seven. I don't think that those are going to be the stocks that lead the market higher in 2024. I think you're going to see more of a broadening out, and I think that stocks that underperformed last year are going to do much better this year, like some of your healthcare names. We talked about that inside of True Trading Group, and we saw that today. You saw that rotation out. Healthcare names exploded today. And I talked about gold. I think gold's going to have a breakout year in 2024 as interest rates come down, as the dollar weakens. That should be a positive catalyst for gold. Geopolitical uncertainty around the world, that should be a positive catalyst for gold. And I think that people can start increasing their portfolio exposure to gold, but also to Bitcoin as well. I actually think that Bitcoin and gold both, I think, can do well at the same time. We have to welcome Joshua. Joshua, welcome to the family. There are now just 13 of those spots remaining. All right, Joshua, welcome. Joshua, welcome. Newest member of the group. 13 spots now remain. 13 spots remain. And guys, again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to text us. 1-888-306-8783. Just text us with any questions that you guys do have. I'll show you the chart of the GLD. This is something that really has my attention. Look at this level. I mean, look at this chart on the GLD. Is this not the sexiest cup and handle you've ever seen? And then you have this huge resistance level up here. Just see if that level breaks. Guys, if that level breaks and you get the GLD above 195, the GLD is at 200, any pullback into the low 190s, then I think it's got to be a buy. And I think that you can see new highs here on the GLD in 2024. So I am bullish on gold. I think gold was not supposed to do well last year, but it actually did decent. Gold doesn't really do well when you have a strong dollar and you have rising interest rates. But it still had a positive year, pushing up, into its all-time highs. So I actually think that the environment is more conducive for a gold rally in 2024 than it was in 2023. And I think you're maybe seeing that relative strength in 2023, and then that can result in a breakout in 2024 with a better environment. And listen, if the economy does stutter, if the economy falters, gold is a safe haven. And I think that, listen, are you going to get a 229% gain on gold like you did on NVIDIA? No. You're going to get 170% gain like you did on Meta? No. But that's not the point. The point is just how can we outperform the market year after year? That's what we've been able to do in True Trading Group. And this is how we continue to do that. Now, this is just one of my ideas. I have a lot more other ideas for 2024. That's coming out of my 2024 Outlook report, something I'll issue to members of True Trading Group each and every single year. That is coming this week. I am almost finished with it, probably another day or two, and then that's coming out for you guys. It will be out before the end of the week. I can guarantee you guys that. All right. I will not be issuing that here on YouTube. I will only be giving that to members of True Trading Group. So if you want it, make sure you go to ttgoffer.com right now. Enter the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops down to $8.50. Check out. You guys are good to go. There's 14 of those spots left. They are first come, first serve, or midnight tonight, whichever one of those happens first. You'll know you're one of those 14 spots if you actually see the price says $8.50 after you enter the coupon code and click apply code. The price says $1,500. That means it's too late. All right. So there we have it, folks. Let's talk about what I think about what happens tomorrow. So tomorrow, I think we're going to try to get back above this trade line. See this trade line? This is this teal blue line. See this teal blue line? See how it's been support for the last 2 months? We have to welcome Jorge. Jorge, welcome to the TTG family. 12. Wait. Yeah, I said 14 before. I think I misspoke. I think there's only 12 now. 12 spots now remain. 12 spots now remain. Jorge, welcome. Guys, again, just go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121 and click apply code. Price drops all the way down to that $8.50. Hurry up and grab it before the price goes up. There are 12 of those spots remaining. All right, 12 spots left. Now, see this teal blue line? That's the 9 exponential moving average. You can see how it's been support for the last 2 months. Well, today, for the first time in 2 months, we broke underneath it. So you see that? What I think you're actually going to see happen tomorrow, I think you may see us try to get back above that level tomorrow and then reject off it, shy away from it, and then continue the pullback. My target for this is actually 468. That's my target for the SPY for this first pullback to start the year. I'm looking at 468. Let me go back and go into a 15-minute chart just to make this a little bit easier for you guys. So here's that resistance level that we identified today. So I'm thinking that maybe tomorrow we try to get back up into that level, right? And then reject off of it and then continue to the pullback and then pull this back to 468 and get back to this support level that you all can see here, here, and here. Okay, so this is my target on the SPY. So we're going to stay short-minded for the next day or two and see if the SPY can get back down to 468. I'm watching for tomorrow an early push into that level and then find resistance up at 473.5, that zone, find resistance up there, then shy away from it and then roll back down and continue downtrend, continue pull back, continue profit take, and take you down to 468. That's my target on this pullback. So a lot of the same from today. Let's see if that same rolls through into the rest of the start. If we clear out 474, then I'll take a step back away from that idea. So if I see the SPY really push above 474, then I'll start abandoning that short idea to 468, because at that point you probably fill your gap up at 475.5. All right. That's it, folks. So there you have it. There is I'm done with the analysis stuff. What I'll do now, actually, if you're not a member of True Trading Group, if you guys want to, if you're not interested, you can sign up for live stream now. I'm done with the analysis stuff. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel before you go. Smash the like button. If you are interested, we got 12 of these spots left. I'll show you guys the platform. So for those of you that are interested, you can see actually what the $850 is going to get you. Again, it's for the whole year. All right, it's for the whole year. There's no upsells for the stuff you see on ttgoffer.com. Everything on that page is included for the $850. So here's our chat room. Our chat room is where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades, answering questions, providing commentary. We're with you for the whole day. We're not gone after an hour and you'll have to fend for yourself. We're with you for the whole day. Okay. You got the mobile app that lets you be connected on your phone and get the real-time push notifications when our mods enter and exit positions. You got 2 small product side of groups with our mods to speed up your learning curve. You have Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed with congressional trading data to track trades by Congress. You have TradingView's premium charting software. You've got the Trade Ideas scanner that streams on our platform for you guys to use. A simulator lets you practice trading with fake money but real-time data. Our own proprietary scanner that lets you create custom scans. You got dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data. It's all included. A trading journal to track your trades for you, a social sentiment scanner to tell you what's being talked about most on social media. We got to welcome Gabriel. Greg Gabriel just joined. Guys, we're down to 11 spots now. Gabriel, welcome. 11 spots now remain. Welcome, Gabriel. Welcome, Gabriel. You're also going to get a stock profile tool. Gives you analyst ratings and any stock you're interested in, so you can see how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating on a name. Then you've got all the courses. The courses are a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. Beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it, we've got it. You get access to all of it. There's no upsell for these courses. They're all included for the $850. Then you have a video library that gives you, 1,000 hours of workshops covering different topics. And you can actually start attending these workshops live once you guys become a full-time member. Listen, I can't guarantee that you're going to be successful just by joining True Trading Group. But what I can guarantee is if you go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group, and cannot make enough winning trades to equal the $850 membership fee at least one time during your membership, we will give you back $1,700. The refund policy is right there on our checkout page in black and white. Go read it. Our refund rate's less than 2.5%. That's why I can offer it to you. If our refund rate was 10 or 15%, I wouldn't be able to give you guys double your money back. Go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code, manually type it in, TTG121, click apply code, price drops to $850, check out, and you're good to go. How do you know you're one of the 11 remaining spots? If the price says $850 after you enter the coupon code and click apply code, that's how you know. If it says 1,500, that means 11 people have already joined. There's either 11 people or midnight tonight. Whichever one of those two things happens first, then the price jumps back up to 1,500. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Text us 1-888 306-8783. Thanks for tuning in tonight, folks. I hope you guys really enjoyed the live. A fantastic way to start the new year. Not one, not two, but 3 triple-digit gains alerted inside of True Trading Group today. Could not think of a better way to start the year. It's like 2023 never ended. Let's see if we can nail a couple more tomorrow morning. Take care, everybody. Have a wonderful rest of your evening. Subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button. Turn on your notifications if you have not done so already.